We will see in this class how to work with points, randomly inserting them into the graphic area and dividing geometries. To get started, open the available file. We will divide one of the existing lines using the command divide from the Draw panel of the Home tab. We click on the title bar to access this command. With the active command, we select the line to be split. We enter the value 10, which refers to the amount of divisions the line will have, and confirm with an enter. The divisions have been made, but the dots are not visible. To improve the visualization of these points, we must modify the variable pt mode, which controls the visual aspect of the inserted points. We type pt mode, hit enter, type 34, which represents the point model to be displayed, and confirm with an enter. Now we can better view the result obtained with the command divide. Let's now look at how to perform splits on a line using the measure command, which divides a line using an informed dimension. We activate the command, select the line that will be split, and on the command line we enter the value 13, which will be the distance of each segment. We confirm with an enter and see the result obtained. We have several segments with size of 13 and a shorter segment, and the division occurs from left to right. Let's also look at how to insert points in the graphic area. We activate the shown command and we will set the vertices of a square. For this, we define the positions of the points at the coordinates 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 10 and 10, 10. Remember to hit enter after entering each pair of coordinates. To conclude, we join the points with the line tool and the node precision point, which is activated through the status bar option. And so we concluded this lesson, where we saw how to insert points in the graphic area and how to divide geometries.